Hello and good morning, friends. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you the greens we can give to the birds in the winter season. So, some of the greens, like you can alternately give the spinach, which you can find it over here, then some green peas, then cauliflower, cabbage. So be sure that the birds have their 60% of diet of grains in the winter season to give them the good health, and 40% of the diet of the birds consist of the grains and all. So that's all about the new update, and now I hope you can guess which one is the chick. I posted the video before, so I'll show you. The chick is a red-eye cockatiel. So this one is the chick of which I posted the video before, and yes, the new family are like they eat anything, and of course they, as you see, they don't spare the papers as well. They like chewing the papers. Then sunflower seeds, they like cauliflower too much. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching. Keep liking and subscribe, and please press the bell icon if you like the videos of my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.